You see, there's the motor, right?
Huge. It's very.
Are you touching? Yeah, that's big, eh?
So, Mr. Hughes, what's happening here?
Oh, we're at RAND Airport, just doing a bit more plane spotting. Having a look at what. This is like a restaurant at the airport. It's right underneath the tower here. It's called the Harvard restaurant. So it's really nice. We're sitting outside in the sun.
We built out a camper van, a Boxer 2004, to go travelling through South Africa.
Ja, alles daar zo. Kom laat even mee kom.
I'm an artist and Graham still works part-time, so we travel when we can. We've had the most amazing trip so far, local and further out. Now I miss your fish. Yeah.
Always runaways.
So I'd just been to the loo and I came out and was standing in my daughter's jacket that she gave me from England. Maybe it looks like I'm a helicopter owner. And a little boy, or maybe he looked about 6 or 7, he came up to me and he looked at me and he said, please take me on your helicopter. And he kept saying it to me. I said, I don't own a helicopter. Do I look like I own a helicopter? I don't know what to say to him. It was so cute the way he was saying, please take me on your helicopter. Oh, it was so cute.
This one we used to see.
What's it, an old?
An old junker.
What's a junker though?
It's an old aeroplane.
It sounds like a piece of junk when you talk it like that. When you talk it like that.
One of the first planes.
Oh wow, it's beautiful.
Let's see what it's.
This is sad. This is in fond memory of the passengers who perished on flight. This was that Mauritius one, eh?
Yeah.
Helderberg. Oh, shame.
Look at the plane. Seating area.
Yeah.
Cargo.
Oh yeah, I didn't know
That's where you
that.
put all your cargo in.
Okay.
Your cargo is a little box inside there.
Yeah, with the old wing. Remember how old that is? Yeah, that was a shame. Everybody died in this one, I think, eh? These must have been things they picked up. Look here at the crash site.
This is a jumbo as well, eh?
Oh, they crashed.
747 B747 Combo.
Oh,
I'm busy reading here.
okay.
The Heidelberg. 140 persons.
Oh, these are the crew people that died.
Passengers and 19 crew members.
These are all of them. Shame. That was sad, I remember that. What's this? Part of the engine. What is it?
That is part of the engine. It's a turbine.
Yeah?
they're jet turbines. So those are jet engines there. This is the outer ring.
Oh,
So it's got a turbine
yeah.
that runs, and then these are on the outside
I can't see your hands.
for the compressor to blow more air.
Oh, wow.
That is one of a lot. If you look in there, there's a lot.
Okay.
You can't really see there,
Yes. Oh, so
but
that's part
one.
of that.
Another one, another one, another one,
Oh,
another
wow.
one. They go right around.
Oh, wow.
And you can stand in there.
That's how big it is.
Yes, much bigger than you standing in there.
Wow. Interesting that you know so much.
So those are all those turbine fins that I showed you.
Okay. Wow.
All the way around. Tick, 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 tick. That was one.
Okay.
Train.
Back in the day. This is a simulator. Oh, okay. Wow. This is a cockpit.
Yep.
Oh, wow. To learn all this, I admire them. So we're in the simulator now,
Yep, we're in the simulator.
doing nothing. We're just looking. We're going to go on a tour in the big jumbo that
Jumbo.
went over the World Cup.
Right.
Enjoy our videos.
Enjoy it.
Subscribe. You must subscribe. Please subscribe. Go.
Hello?
Smell the oldness of this, eh? Hey babes, you can smell how old this is. Still smells, it's
Yep.
got like a train smell.
That's what it is. It's an old transport museum.
Wow, it's beautiful. Nice big chairs in that day, hey? Look at the leg room. How they squash us in today for money. All for money today, hey?
Look.
Yeah, it's all for money. Look at the leg room.
Footpad, everything.
Aren't you jealous from those days?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to press something, yeah.
More people in a plane now. Okay, let's go to the other one for a tour. There's a door. So this was the luxury people. That's why they had so much room. This was business class.
Yes, but this won't work now
No.
because it's closed off.
Yeah, so this is business class. That's why they're so big. Okay. So I have to retract my words. Business class was, you could even have an office meeting here. Look at this.
Yeah.
You could have an office meeting with a big table. You could hire it and eat or something.
We're going to go on a tour on your own.
Very comfortable. Planes built in the past were always built for comfort. Nowadays, planes are built for speed and money, so it's not so comfortable nowadays compared to how it was in the past.
Hey? Yo.
Yeah, we do
It's a big thing, eh? 50 odd years old, eh?
Yeah, 53.
Yeah.
This is the kitchen area.
This was class
Yeah, I
53
must say.
years ago.
Huh? Look at the nice seating. I like that.
Length of this aircraft from the nose all the way to the tail is 70.6 meters.
Oh,
This aircraft can house 200,000 liters of fuel.
Yeah.
wow.
It used to burn 4 liters every second.
Wow.
So this is partially why they retired this aircraft. It was getting very expensive to maintain this aircraft. But at least now planes are even more efficient.
Yeah.
Now with the configuration of how to calculate how many members you need, for every 50 passengers you need a cabin crew member. So let's just say if there's 51 passengers, you need 2 cabin crew members. So that's how they work out how many crew members to be on. And with the crew members, you have to sit on jump seats. This is your jump seat. So who wants to be our crew member for today to sit here?
I will.
Yes, you can. So this is why we built in seats just for crew members. And the reasoning behind it is because they are also near the door.
This is a baby changing station.
This
This
is-
is on it.
This is on a 747
Yeah,
Jumbo.
nice, eh?
And Lou,
Yeah.
and a place to sort the baby out. A little basin.
Cute, huh?
This is 53 years ago.
Yeah. Yeah, across, eh?
Yeah. Hey, look at this.
Because imagine being on your feet for 16 hours, 22 hours. A black box is used to record the audio inside the cockpit and all the flight data. It is bright orange. You can come and have a look at the two devices right now. Back in the day, there was two black boxes. You had the cockpit voice recorder and you had the data flight recorder. Now,
camouflage like a black
Flips and ailerons and all sorts of things.
These are the big tires that worked very hard on this plane. Look at this suspension or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, by the suspension. For the,
That's not a suspension.
what's it?
It's more than that.
The fins that I showed
That's
you.
what
Yes.
you say.
Yes, now when this is closed,
Yeah.
it's there. So this
That's
is a
cooling
fan.
it down.
Okay.
Cooling it, that is thrust.
Oh,
It's
wow.
cooling more air.
All the hay.
This is
So
a
that you
engine
can
that's
go.
driving.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see this hinge
Oh,
here.
wow, yeah.
This is a hinge here.
Okay, yeah.
That bends in like that and it pulls this up.
Oh,
And
okay.
those wheels come in here and these are the
Wow.
wheel bay covers.
So it's a wheel housing. Is it a wheel housing?
That's a shock absorber there.
What did I call it
Like a
here?
shock absorber.
Didn't I say it was a shock? What did I say?
Is that shock?
I said a shock.
Yeah.
Yes, I was correct, eh? And I know nothing about planes. Oh, that's fabulous. This is,
You want to try and change wheels on these things? Yes.
is it
Look
hard?
on the side there and all the bolts.
When we change tires, we jack the car. How do you do this?
Check this as well. You want to check it
This closes. And then the wheel housing. Wow.
This is where the wheel goes. It'll bend this thing like this. As it bends that, this
one?
bends here and here. So that bends that way and that bends like that. So it goes up there and it pulls this up into there so that it latches on that.
Yeah. And
It latches on this. Do you see that pin there?
Oh, wow.
Latches on that. That keeps the wheel up there. And then
Ah.
after that, these things play. Okay, when it does, this is already connected here.
So this one, yeah.
So when it goes up, it kicks up, and this is already coming underneath like this. So when it goes up, this one comes. This is boerewors. Boerewors. This is a boerewors, and it's made from like mince, and this is like an intestine sleeve that it's ground up into, and we braai this as it is one piece, and then we'll chop it off in pieces. Wow,
And they
so
call it a
nice.
barbecue over there.
Yeah. Well,
We call it a braai.
So you'll have to understand what a braai is. A braai is a barbecue.
With boerewors.
Yeah, boerewors rolls.
Oh, yeah, we put
Just
them
put
in
in a roll
rolls.
like a hot dog.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next Sunday. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.